Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SquareSpace for website building, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with registering on SquareSpace, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.squarespace.com and press enter. Once the SquareSpace homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to a page with various templates. Browse through the templates to find one that suits your vision. Once you select a template, click on the Start with this design button. Next, you'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Choose a secure password and confirm it in the next field. After entering your information, click Create Account. You may be asked to verify your email address if you haven't done so before. Check your email inbox for a verification message from SquareSpace. Open the message and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the SquareSpace platform. Now that your account is verified, you'll be taken to the website setup page. Fill out the required fields, including your site title and a brief description. You can also select your preferred domain name during this step. If you don't have a domain yet, SquareSpace will suggest some options for you. Once you've completed this, click on Continue. Now, you'll be in the SquareSpace editor. Here, you can start customizing your website according to your needs. Explore the various editing tools available on the left sidebar. Add pages, change layouts, and insert content as necessary. After making your adjustments, remember to save your changes. Your website is now registered, and you're ready to start building. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.